Bu videoda sizlerle gece mesaisindeki masum bir taksi şoförünün nasıl trajikomik bir olayla karşı karşıya kaldığını izleyeceğiz. Videoyu izlerken sizlerden empati yapmanızı istiyorum. Videoyu izledikten sonra da yorumlarda fikirlerinizi belirtmeyi ve videoyu beğenmeyi unutmayın. Haydi videoya başlayalım.
I didn't leave them.
13 Şubat 2026 tarihinde akşam saatlerinde bir Uber şoförü polisi arıyor. İhbar üzerine polisler hemen olay yerine geliyor ve maceramız burada başlıyor.
I took the lady with
With her two
children.
kids? Uh-huh.
Yes.
From where?
Hey, right here.
In Tamarack?
I don't know exactly the address, really.
On the other,
Yeah.
not over here, but
No, because
across commercial.
because the ladies give me too many around. Oh, yeah, let me.
What's up, guys?
So, say, no, the address. Going. No, the GPS is at the left. No, at the right. No, please, lady, you are wrong. Please. No, please, cancel. I'll give you Give me some money. Yeah, give me $10. Bring me to this house.
Where did you bring her?
Here.
Where is she?
She went to, I don't know, she was walking over there.
Uh-huh.
I think all this warehouse.
She just walked over there?
Yeah, between the cars. I was trying to care. She was answer me. Okay, I'm back. I'm coming. Also, look,
32 yaşındaki Emily Sabogal çocuklarını karate kursundan aldıktan sonra bir Uber çağırıyor. Başına geleceklerden habersiz olan masum şoför de anne ve çocuklarını alıyor. Uber şoförünün anlattıklarına göre kadın sürekli telefonda açık olan ev rotasını reddediyor ve şoföre değişik konumlara gitmesini söylüyormuş. Ve bu esnada kadın oldukça sarhoş bir durumdaymış. Hatta aracın içinde alkol bile içiyormuş.
how many calls? 12 calls.
What does she look like?
That's a petite girls,
Okay.
like a Spanish.
Okay.
Hispanic people have the dresses are like a brown one beige.
Okay.
Hot. So also I send a message to Craig.
And you've been here for how long?
More than 2 hours.
Right here.
Yes. I don't know because I have
Right, yeah.
So, Emily, please come to pick up your children. They are asking for you. I send the because she is wrong. I just think maybe she don't know where.
Yeah.
Emily, I will call the police. I have to leave. Please answer the phone.
Nothing.
Nothing. Look.
And you saw her walk this way?
Yeah, about this go.
In the parking, behind the trucks?
Oh no, I don't move right here because.
Yeah. No, but where you saw her walk?
Yeah.
She
I
walked
think,
in
I
and that
think-
way.
Yes.
And then you didn't see her when
Yeah.
met the her.
I draw for this.
Yeah.
Way.
And you didn't see nothing.
Nothing.
You said you think she was drunk?
She's
Okay.
give me.
What's up, guys?
She left the smell. It's wrong.
Okay.
She was wrong. I saw her. I told her. Hey, kill me, no. That's wrong. Let me take you home.
Yeah.
No. Please. Let me take you home. Your babies.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Please. Cancel.
Edinilen bilgilere göre kadın Uber'e binmeden önce bir eğlence mekanında takılmış. Mekandaki çalışanların verdiği ifadeye göre kadın art arda içki tüketiyormuş. Dolayısıyla araçtayken de kafası bir hayli gidik haldeymiş. Bu durumu fark eden şoför abi de kadını uyarmış. "Ablacım, bak çocuklara yazık, izin ver de sizi evinize kadar bırakayım." demiş ama kadın şoför abimizin bu iyi niyetli teklifini reddediyor. Çünkü aklında başka planlar var. Biraz zaman geçtikten sonra kadın şoförün elindeki telefonu alıp yolculuğu iptal ediyor ve $10 kadar para bırakıp 3 dakikaya geleceğim diyor. Ama gel gör ki 3 dakika oluyor, 2 saat. Evet, taksici tam 2 saat boyunca 3 ve 4 yaşındaki 2 çocukla olduğu yerde bekliyor. Bu esnada defalarca kadını arıyor ama kadın telefonlara da cevap vermiyor. Daha sonrasında şoför artık ne yapacağını bilemiyor ve polise haber veriyor.
She's able to explain it to me, but about 2 hours ago, or a little bit more now, he picked some lady up out of Tamarack.
Yeah, because took the trip maybe 8:20
Yeah.
something. Yes.
She gave him an address. She kept telling him deviating from what the GPS was saying. She goes, "You just cancel the ride. I'll give you extra cash. Give him like $10, and tells him pretty much ends up here." She gets out of the car, walks through the lot, disappears. Appears to be intoxicated. She was drinking out of a cup. You smell remnants of rum. No clue where she is right now. Just left the kids. Obviously, she doesn't know this gentleman. He's just an Uber driver, and walked off.
So he said he was able to call her before he
Yeah, but
arrived.
she stopped answering.
Yeah.
That's the problem. Let's hit this hard. She's got to be somewhere in here. She just walked in and he's like, "What am I gonna do? Like, I got the kids." He says he drove over, didn't see anybody. He's like calling her. She was initially answering, and stopped answering. But he's like, he was telling her, like, "You're drunk."
Where did you pick her up from?
Yeah.
From her house, you think? Or
No, it's
restaurant?
Like a plaza with bars and.
Yeah. So start I mean, I'm not gonna game plan, but canvas. Yeah. Start canvassing, take it by sectors and figure out what we got. Let me start hitting too. Let me drive. You guys you're staying here, right, with the kids?
Did you want to stay about it?
Polis gerekli bilgileri aldıktan sonra hemen bölgede arama başlatıyor. Ekipler olay yerinin 3 kilometre uzağında bir alışveriş merkezi yanında tek başına oturan bir kadın fark ediyorlar. Ve hemen yanına gidiyorlar.
Take your hands out your pockets for me. You have 2 kids? Were you just in an Uber with your 2 kids? Yeah, 5. I'm 2-5 with her just east of the McDonald's in the Publix Plaza off Knob Hill and Commercial. Just do me a favor. Sit down there. Sit down. Because you just left your kids with an Uber and we're all over town looking for you. It doesn't matter. Do me a favor and sit down.
Evet, bu kişi Emily Sabogal'dan başkası değil. Çocuklarını taksi şoförüne bırakıp ortalıktan kaybolan Emily, olay yerinin 3 kilometre uzağında bulundu. Emily bu saatte burada ne arıyordu? Neden çocuklarını bırakıp gitti? Bakalım bu soruların yanıtını alabilecek miyiz?
What's in the backpack? Any weapons or anything like that? Okay, do me a favor, take it off and just set it to the side. Don't go in it. Just set it to the side. You left your kids for 2 hours. It's been over 2 hours. Do you know where you left them at?
Yeah.
Where did you leave them at? Where were you going? Huh? So you're just gonna leave the Uber and walk home?
No, but listen,
I understand that, but your number one priority should be your
my
kids.
children, absolutely, 100%. Oh my God, listen, I'm not a criminal, bro. I'm here. I'm sorry. I will cooperate, whatever it is, what it is. My bad, I'm sorry. It's crazy.
What's your name?
My name's Em.
Yeah, it's her.
What's going on?
I don't have a car.
Okay.
Where's 25? No, what else?
I like to be honest, bro. Like, it is what it is. I don't
Talk
have a
to
car.
us.
My kids were with me earlier. I got a ride. They did karate over here.
Okay.
I came back. The ride was waiting for me. And I'm here now
So where are your kids?
with the Uber.
Is there any reason why you left them?
I didn't leave them.
So explain to me. So your kids were at karate here. From here, you guys got in the Uber.
Right.
Do you remember what color was the car? Do you remember the body style of the car? White car?
Listen, like, I get a whole bunch of Ubers, Lyfts.
Okay, so you guys leave here in the Uber. Where was the destination from here?
Home.
Did you at any point tell the Uber driver to go somewhere else, a different route?
My phone died.
Okay, that's not answering my question. At any point, did you tell the Uber driver to deter your route out away from your house somewhere else?
No, just my phone was just fucking dead, to be honest with you. I don't mean to like be an ass or be like mean, but like phone was dead.
But what does that have to do with Uber getting you to your home if he already had your address?
Because I don't have my actual phone, I don't have my car, I'm not in control of my situation. And I'm with my kids. Oh god. Hi, how you doing?
You alright?
Yeah, baby, go on.
What's going on is you deserted your kids for 2 hours. That's what's going on. You deserted your kids for 2 hours. That's what's going on. That Uber driver's been sitting with your kids waiting for you to come back for the past 2 hours.
Gördüğünüz üzere polis kadına olayın nasıl geliştiği ile ilgili soru soruyor ama kadının verdiği cevapların soruyla hiçbir ilgisi yok. Bahane olarak sürekli telefonunun şarjının bittiğini söylüyor. Çocukları neden bıraktığı sorulunca da cevap vermiyor. Üstelik çocuklarım benim için çok önemli diyor. Çocuklarını önemseyen bir insan böyle bir şey yapar mıydı? Kadın belli ki hala alkolün etkisinde ve ne olduğunu hala anlamamış bile olabilir.
You know what that sounds like? Honestly, like what probably happened because I don't have my phone. I just fixed.
Why did you get out of the Uber? No response, no answer for that?
Listen,
But you're not answering my question. Why did
I
you get out of the
understand what
Uber?
you're asking me about that. I get it, 100%. Listen, it's like from morning to nighttime. Like I have to make shit happen for all of that because right now I don't have a car. Okay, and it sucks. It's not an excuse, but that's me being fucking weird, to be honest with you. And it sucks. It sounds fucking stupid. I should have a car. But yeah, like
Okay.
I don't know what else to tell you, to be honest. I'm not trying to be anything. I'm okay.
So you're saying the reason you left them from the Uber is because you don't have a car?
It's not that I don't have a car, it's just my phone died.
Okay.
There was multiple stops. They were here and the karate ladies and just
Okay. Okay.
I'm like, I didn't know how to even reach Uber guy or whatever. Because my phone is tapped. I don't have the charge. So you guys can whatever you want.
Okay, so I understand and I get that, but I'm having a hard time understanding why you got out of the Uber in the first place. And you're not answering that question for me. Listen, I'm not being an asshole. These are legit answers that we need.
No, those are legit like questionnaires that you should be asking. But listen, I signed them up for karate. I was here. I don't have a car. I requested an Uber. Like,
Okay.
Hey, we were on transit to go home.
Mm-hmm.
My phone died. There was multiple stops. And unfortunately, yes, my kids stayed in the car with the Uber first.
Were the multiple stops for you, or was the Uber was?
Multiple stops as in like pumping them. Like innocent fucking stops, though.
You mean like stops at like stop signs and red lights, or like he was destination stops where he was picking somebody up or something up?
I'm trying to be an asshole, but bro, why would it be multiple stops? I don't know.
I'm still trying to get to the answer of why you got out of the Uber.
I get it. So,
And which way is home? It's that way, isn't it?
Commercial and University.
How did you guys end up all the way over there at 108th and 50th? That's the complete opposite way of where your home is. So if he had no other destinations, what brought you guys over there?
I'm like feeling like, listen, I have not done anything wrong. I have no idea what is going on. I'm sorry. I get your job. I get your whole persona. I get it. I feel you. 100%. I'm just a mom. I just want to say, like, I want to go home, to be honest with you. And yes, I felt very vulnerable not knowing where the hell my kids were at. Because my phone was dead. I couldn't reach the guy that was giving me a ride. And it is what it is. That's the truth. That is the honest truth. Like, that is, like, as real as I could fucking get, to be honest with you. I don't mean to curse, but it is what it is, bro. I have learned to be honest with my shit. And you know what? Yes, it sucks and I know where my kids are at. My kids are everything to me. My life. I signed them up for karate. I don't have a fucking car. I fucking got picked up from my job. Fucking rides here, there. Dropped them off. Fucking sucks.
Yeah. I'm on.
Everything. All right. The law requires that you be advised of these rights prior to answering any questions or making a statement. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. I'm just reading you your rights.
Am I?
You're not in handcuffs. Nobody's pulled them out. I just have to read you your rights. Don't.
You're not going.
You're not free to
No,
go.
it's okay. No, I just.
Sit back down.
No, that's.
Just let me finish, and then
I just.
we'll get to
honestly,
it.
right now, I feel very vulnerable for. No, I don't know what.
Just let me finish, and then we can get to talking. Okay?
You're very intimidating.
Would you like her to read them?
Evet, değerli izleyenler, gördüğünüz üzere kadından net bir cevap bir türlü alınamadı. Çocuklarını neden tanımadığı bir adama bırakıp gittiği hakkında hiçbir fikrimiz yok ama açıkça görülen bir şey var ki o da aşırı şanslı olduğu. Çünkü adam kadının çocuklarını bırakıp gitmedi ve 2 saat boyunca çocukların başında bekledi. Neyse ki herhangi bir kötü olay yaşanmadan çocuklar babalarına teslim edildi. Olaydan sonra baba bir haber kanalına röportaj verdi ve orada şu cümleleri söyledi. Açıkçası ne düşüneceğimi bilemedim. Tek düşündüğüm şey çocuklarımın güvenliğiydi. Çocuklarım şanslıydı, biliyorsunuz. Allah onları korudu. Neler olduğunu merak ediyorlardı çünkü 4 yaşındaki kızım bana polis sirenlerini ve polis ışıklarını gördüğünü, annesinin götürüldüğünü anlatıyordu. Onları sakinleştirmem gerekti tabii ki. Bilirsiniz, oyuncaklarla dikkatlerini dağıttım ama şu an iyiler. Açıkçası Uber şoförüne ulaşmak ve polisi aradığı için teşekkür etmek istiyorum, dedi. Olaydan sonra ise 32 yaşındaki Emily Sabogal tutuklandı. Kendisine bedensel zarar vermeksizin çocuğu ihmal ve 2 kez çocuğu terk etme suçlamaları yöneltildi. Daha sonra $3.000 kefalet ödeyerek serbest bırakıldı. Çocuklar ise polis tarafından güvenli bir şekilde muhafaza altına alındı. Eski partnerinin daha önce de benzer dengesiz davranışlar sergilediğini söyleyen baba, çocuklarının güvenliğinden endişe duyduğu için tam velayeti almak adına yasal süreç başlatacağını açıkladı.
Come on. Come on.
Woo! Ow, ow, ow, ow, ow, ow, ow, ow. You guys are too strong. You're too strong. You eat your vegetables, that's why. You eat your vegetables? Yeah? You? How old are you? You know? You 3? 3? You're a big boy. You're strong. You're 4?